I'm zoomed in quite a bit on this batch because I wanted to show you the oils and butters that I'm going to be using before I melt everything down and go on to the actual making process. This is going to be 100% natural soap, and it's going to be a triple butter soap. I almost always use shea butter in my recipes. This over here is coconut oil, but right here, this is some of the shea butter, and it's kind of got a light, very, very light yellow color, and this is organic. And it's kind of got a little bit of a grainy texture. This is at room temperature and it's very soft. So this one over here is very hard. It's really pretty and white. This is kokum butter. And then right here, this nice yellow one is cocoa butter. And this one has a really nice chocolatey smell. So it smells really, really good. I'm going to do this as a goat's milk soap as well, unscented, and it's going to be really, really nice, really conditioning for the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and melt this down and get my lye solution ready to go, and I'll come back when everything's melted and time to make the soap.